Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that. How can you change your Facebook page name and username? The process is quite simple and effortless. The first thing is switch your Facebook ID to your Facebook business page on PC, because on mobile, the username of your Facebook page is not available, so you can't change your username from there. So once you switch your Facebook profile to your Facebook business page on PC, simply tap on this profile icon, which is at the top right, and tap on this option. Settings and privacy. Tap on the first option, settings. Now here's the option name. Simply tap on the option edit and write the name. Choose the name carefully, because once you will change your name, then you will not be able to change it again for the next 60 days. After changing the name, you can also add a username by tapping on this icon and set your username of your Facebook page. It's like the URL of your Facebook page. Once you write a username, tap on the option Save Changes. Choose your name and username carefully. So it was a basic way by which you can change both.